Hey guys and gals, it's Mrs. Ellis. Today I'm going to talk about how to use Google Meets. We're going to start using Google Meets this week, and actually, we're going to start using it today if you're in my class. If not, just check with your teachers to see when your next Google Meet appointment is going to be. Well, some of us are going to be using Google Meets for our game days, and some of us will be using it for our office hours. So the on Fridays, we will have our game days and we will be using this platform in order for us to interact. And if we do use office hours, this is a way that you will be able to communicate with us. And during these office hours, you can ask us questions. You can ask questions about the assignments that you've been assigned. You can just pop in to chat with whoever else is in the room. And those office hours will be once a week for about an hour. Just with your teachers to see when that is and for how long it will be. So let me show you exactly what this is. I'm very excited. We are very excited because we are excited to be able to speak with you guys finally. So let me just switch over the screen. And here, this is what it's going to look like on your screen. So how do you actually access Google Meet? Well, you're going to open a new tab and you're going to come over here to your grid. You're going to click on the grid. And when you click on the grid, mine did not open up properly. You're just going to scroll down and you're going to see this icon that says Meet. Then you will click on it. When you click on it, I always like this because in Google Meets, they always have different backgrounds. Today we have wolves. I always like to see what they are going to have for the day. But in order for you to just join in, you'll see this right here. It says join or start a meeting. Now, your teacher will give you a code in Google Classroom. So you will have to go into Google Classroom to see what the code is, and then you're going to click on this plus sign, and then you're going to enter the code. My code for today, for just this practice session, is Ellis. So once you type in the code, you just click continue. When you do so, you're not automatically in. You'll see this screen and you are able to do a couple of things. Here, if you don't want anybody to see you, just make sure the camera is off and we'll see your little icon. And then also you have a microphone. If you could please get into the habit of muting this, so when you log into the meeting, we don't have everybody talking at once, especially if it is going to be, if we're going to teach a lesson or we're just there to communicate, just get into the habit of putting that off. And if you want people to see you, open that up. If you don't, just close it. And then you'll click join now. So this is for me. So this will not pop on your screen. But on your side, if you do not want to see yourself, this is what you'll see. If not, you will actually see what you are. So let me just show you a couple of things that it looks from your end. Over here on the side, you could see who's in the meeting. You could chat with your teacher by clicking on this, and this is where you would ask questions. You go to the bottom, you type in your question, and then send it. And this, especially if I am just talking and you guys want to ask me questions, this is how you were going to do it. Now, let's say you want to ask a question. We're going to use a couple of different rules, and I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Let me just finish showing you what it is, what this looks like and the different features. So this will be to chat. This you could see who's there. Some of your teachers, you'll be able to see everybody at once here. Just depends how they set up Google Meets. So down here at the bottom, when you do want to speak, you just unclick this microphone, and then that way we will be able to hear you. And then when you're done, just click it back off. Same thing, if you want everybody to see you, just click right here. Then at the end of the meeting, when it's time for us to say goodbye, you're going to go down here to the bottom and just exit this. And then you've left the meeting. So let me switch this back over so we could talk about some etiquette and how we're going to do this. Well, just like in Google Meets, it's going to be just like in the classroom. We all cannot speak at once or it will be very chaotic. So if you have something to say, raise your hand or type in the chat box and then wait until I say your name and then just unmute it and then go ahead and chat. Sometimes we will be able to talk back and forth, but when you enter the classroom, just make sure you mute your microphone so that way it's not absolute chaos. The other thing I highly recommend is having like some earbuds or AirPods, so that way we don't have a lot of feedback going on. It's a lot easier to communicate. The other thing is make sure there isn't a television on or music playing because we want to be able to hear you and not what's going on. Lastly, you might think this is funny, but I need to say it. Remember, we can see you, so make sure you are dressed appropriately for the meeting because we are able to see you. So keep that in mind. Sometimes we forget, so I just want to make sure I said that. And lastly, just remember it is a classroom, so make sure we are speaking kindly to each other, that we're saying things that are appropriate in our Google Meet. It's just like a classroom. And if you misbehave, I can kick you out of our classroom, which I know that's not going to happen, but I want to make sure that you are aware of that. And we want to be able to speak and see everybody. So, I think that's all the highlights. We will learn as we go. But just remember, this is a great opportunity to ask questions about assignments, to just chat with me, or to just chat with your classmates. So, please make sure you're paying attention to Google Classroom to see when the meets are going to be and at what time. And then your teachers will give you their codes or tell you exactly when their office hours are going to be, or on Fridays if you're going to have a live meeting through Google Meets. If you have any other questions, make sure that you reach out to us through email or in Google Classroom or in private comments. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.